Well, like many of those cooking shows you love to watch on TV, several Spokane area high schoolers are heading to Seattle this weekend to compete in the Prostart Invitational competition.
Yeah, students have 60 minutes to make a 3-course meal, but with just butane burners and no running water. It's all in the name of scholarship money. KXLY4's Caroline Flynn is live at Mount Spokane High School, where, boy, those students have been getting busy behind you.
Oh, boy, have they ever. All right, so we got to ask our, what is your exact title?
Expediter.
Expediter. Okay, she's also the taste tester, because I understand if these students test out anything during the competition, they get disqualified. So first of all, how is everything tasting and how are we doing?
Well, it tastes as good as normal. In fact, probably better. I'm really proud of them.
Okay, good.
And right now we're on track perfectly. Like, everything is just fallen so well into plan. Like, they're not behind at all. It's amazing.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so what is this student behind us? This is Katie? Kendall, sorry. Katie, Kendall. Gosh, there's so much going on.
Oh, we're basically alike.
You're basically like, okay, there you go. What is she making here?
Right now she's making the pumpkin ravioli. So she has to knead it and put it through the pasta maker to get it to the right thinness to roll pasta, like to roll the ravioli.
Kendall, this is like a dream of mine to make pasta. And the fact that you're doing this in less than an hour, I mean, this is unbelievable. How is it going for you?
It's pretty good. I just,
You got the pressure there. We're gonna take away from Kendall right now. She's got to make this pumpkin ravioli. This is hard work. What are you doing over here?
Pesto.
Making the pesto. All right. And we're going to check back in with Graydon, who, from my understanding, has gotten over, the hardest part. What are you doing right now? I also don't want the microphone to catch on fire.
I'm browning butter and cooking mushrooms.
Brown and butter and cooking mushrooms. Okay, enough said. And now over here, this young lady has been shocking me, because first you were doing something with mushrooms. Now, I mean, the last I saw you were doing something with the dessert. I mean, I don't even know what this is over here. What is your role?
I make the tea smoke cheesecake, so I do the orange and lemon segments to put on the plate, and then I do the gremolata on top.
These kids aren't even nervous talking on camera. I think it's because they have all the pressure of the world making this 3-course meal. This morning, 2-course, but 3-course this Saturday. By the way, I want to add one last thing. They really try to make the menu all farm to table and all local. So I'm really keeping my fingers crossed they win this weekend. And I can't wait to try everything in just a few minutes. Live at Mount Spokane High School, Caroline Flynn, KXLY4 News.